Hello guys, we are in the midset of the pandemic, the so-called COVID-19. So far, many of us have become victims of the minutest virus from the family SARS coronavirus. Do you know which is the prominent and most widely used method to identify this virus? Yes, of course. It's the RT-PCR test. RT-PCR or reverse transcriptase polymerase chain reaction technique is based on the natural process a cell uses to replicate a new DNA strand. It's an accurate test because even if there is a tiny amount of virus, it can be detected. Now, let's know how this test is done. Firstly, collect the sample. It can be done either with nasopharyngeal swab or oral pharyngeal swab. In the initial one, the swab is inserted through the nostrils into the nasopharynx and the sample is collected. In latter, the swab is inserted into the oral pharynx and sample is collected. Sample is collected in these ways and is packed safely and sent to the specialized COVID testing labs. In the labs, the technicians isolate RNA from the sample, which is converted to DNA using the enzyme reverse transcriptase. Billions of copies of this DNA are made and is cross-matched with the viral DNA by using specialized machines. Finally, if it matches with the viral DNA, the person tests positive. Different methods of testing are being experimented in our country to trace COVID-19 infection. The Health Ministry has announced that reverse transcription polymerase chain reaction is the gold standard frontline test for COVID-19. RT-PCR technology is a fairly expensive method. It requires RNA extracting machines, a laboratory, and trained technicians. A minimum of 30 samples are needed for one-time test. For this test, even a poor has to spend a minimum of Rs 4,500. Even then, PCR test is worldwide accepted for identifying COVID-19 virus. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned with our channel for more reliable videos.